Here we will go through the steps for creating a new project. I'd like to talk at this point that the project that we are talking about is just an area that defines the entire project that you're working on. This can be provided by the owner or designer and could have been established before you came into the CPA. If established by the owner or designer, they can give you the number to come in here and to log into their project. From within their project, you can then create your complex projects. If no project exists in the system, as we don't have one here today for what we're going to be performing, you'll have to create a new project in the system to define the project information before you can do any complex project notifications. Step number one is to go up and click the Add Project button. You'll need to select the type of project, whether you're doing a construction, complex, or design. Designers will use the design. Contractors will use the construction complex. So here we're going to create a new project. First, you have to identify the boundary or the area that your project consists of. In this case, we're going to use the same area that we have for our current project that we have in the system. In this case, we'll zoom to Beaver County and Center Township. We'll then click on Start the Drawing. Here, you'll define, you can use as many clicks of points as you would like to define the boundary of your project. And when you're done, you finish with a double click. After you've identified the area on the map, you can then go down and put in your project information. In this case, we're going to call our project name Stefanix Sewer. Our project status, we have planning, in progress, completed, and inactive. In order to enter tickets when we are finished, you must place the project status in progress. If you are in a design or you're in a planning mode, you can use planning. You can use inactive when the project is not currently working. And when you're finished, you want to put completed. In this scenario, we want in progress because we will be completing a complex project notification when we're finished. What type of work? Sewer construction. The facility type, sanitary sewers. Next, you'll put in your construction dates. When are you planning on excavating? We're going to say August 1st. Through September 30th. Next, you have the ability to make this project public. You'll want to make this public if you want other entities to see it. Facility owners, anybody else that may want to come in and look at the information. Next, you'll have the ability to add contacts to the project. If you start typing someone's name, it'll auto-filter if they're already in the system. If they're not, you can create a new contact. Enter their first name, last name, company information, phone numbers, And then down at the bottom, the last two are very critical. Your subscription status. This will let the system know what kind of communications did this person have. Will they not receive any project emails? Will they receive all kinds of communication? The daily digest or individual project communications? The security role is also very important. This will allow you to identify whether the person within this project is inactive, whether they have administrator rights, editor rights, or just viewer rights. When you're done, you can click Save. And when you're done with this, entering your information, you can click Save Project. The next pop-up information will come up and ask you if you would like to create a ticket. In our case, it's asking if you want to create a complex project ticket. It must be created 10 days in advance of excavation. If we had placed a design at the beginning of this, when we created a project, it would have asked if we want to do a design ticket. Since we selected construction, it is asking us if we would like to perform a complex project ticket at this time. You can click Yes to go in and create a complex project notification, or you can click No to go out to the main screen, in which you can come back at any point in time later and do that. For this scenario, we're going to select No. You also have the ability to upload any documents that you would like for your project. We encourage uploading PDFs of your project site so that any entity or stakeholder that has the ability to come in and view your project can see additional information. When you're finished, click Save Projects.